So here at Australian Portable Camps, we manufacture remote accommodation and build small cities in the middle of the desert. And we manufacture, assemble, transport and install everything ourselves.
Anything that you require in a normal city, you require in an outback situation where you want to house people.
Our site here at Monarto is 162 acres and we have 72,000 square metres of undercover workspace. By doing everything in-house, we're able to customise all of our products to our clients' requirements. We know what we need and we make it exactly how we need it, which saves costs and saves time.
Our clients can talk to us and solve a problem in any area of the project because we do everything that's involved in the project.
For some clients, it's not feasible to put down a bricks and mortar camp and have it there permanently. We supply the alternative. APC product is a turnkey solution, meaning we are a one-stop shop for any solution regarding accommodating your workers on site in remote areas. APC are all about comfort and usability. You know, the infrastructure we put in needs to be welcoming, needs to be able to get people to relax after work. All this infrastructure will be here for a few years and we'll pack it all up and you wouldn't even know we were here.
Around Australia you can find almost all environments that you could potentially be exposed to. It could be anything from working in alpine regions right through to desert locations. So our assets are built to be able to cover all of those locations and provide those solutions to the client.
Since the beginning we focused on durability, reliability and quality. When we're talking about quality, it was about providing a home away for the workers, so just to give them a great infrastructure where people there will feel comfortable while they're away from their homes.
APC is continuously innovating. We never stop making our products better. So anywhere where we see an opportunity to improve on what we're doing, we take that opportunity and we make those changes. So the system's continuously evolving and getting better with us and our experience over time.
We're designing the system, we manufacture the system, we transport the system, we then maintain everything, we then dismantle everything, we bring back.
It's highly important that APC keeps manufacturing in Australia to support Australians via means of work within the company, but not just work, but also the purchase of the raw materials and other items that are required in our manufacturing process, which supports a larger part of the community. We're proud to have the Australian-made logo on our buildings and on our systems that we're providing in these locations. For us, it showcases that our products are made by Australians for Australians.
For our customers, the Australian-made logo is an assurance of excellence. It makes me very proud to be Australian manufactured and Australian-owned business.
We put our mind and our heart in what we do, for the betterment of the company and employing more Australian people.